Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to DOOGEE S88 Pro. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and type Send Anywhere. Then download this app. Now open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, tap on Continue and select Allow. You want to go with Receive on DOOGEE and Send on an Android. Then you need to click on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will only select this one photo. Click Send and tap Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan QR code, you can tap on the scanning icon over here, select Allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, select Browse in the middle and click, in my case, on Images. Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!